Beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thanks for joining me today. So guys, today I am unboxing my Glam Bag X from IPSY. This is for November 2022. So I'm going to show you guys what I received in this box. If you guys are not familiar with the IPSY Glam Bag X, this is a box that is a quarterly box and it costs $59 every quarter plus taxes. You're supposed to get 8 full-size products in this box, and it can have a value up to $350 or more. So we're going to get right into this in just a minute. If you're new to my channel, if you enjoy subscription unboxing, beauty products, makeup hauls, as well as you're a handbag lover like myself, then this is the channel for you. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button. It allows you to stay up to date with me on all my latest videos, and you can tap that notification bell and it'll let you know when my next video drops. But without further delay, guys, let's get into this box. So this is how it comes to you. I just blotted out my address, of course, since we're on camera. And this is your sneak peek. And we do get a little newspaper here with every box, and it lets us know what products are in here. And this month's box is curated by Becky G. I'm not that familiar with Becky G, but okay. So this is the front of the newspaper here. And we're going to get right into what's in my box here. So guys, the first product I'm pulling out, I have a Tower 28 product, and this is the Daily Rescue Facial Spray. I have never used this before. We seem to get a lot of these sprays between BoxyCharm and IPSY in your box. Says that this Tower 28 product, it costs $28. It says hydrate and heal and balance your stressed out skin with this dermatologist tested fan favorite facial spray. So if you guys have used this before, let me know whether or not you liked it. I've never tried it before, so this will be my first time using it in this box. So let's move on to our second item out of the box. So the next thing I pull out, I have a Truly product, and this is the Moon Rocks Whip Body Butter. Oh, body scrub, I'm sorry. This is the Moon Rocks Body Scrub. I did pick this as one of my choice items. I didn't really like too much of the other options I had, so I just went with this. I like body scrubs. And this one I know is kind of pricey, so I just went with this option here. Alright guys, I'm looking at a newspaper. I don't see this product for Truly Moon Rocks in here. I know this is like a $30-some-odd bottle. I remember that the last time I went to like Ulta, I think it was in there, and it was like $30-something for this size, but I'm just not seeing it in here. So I'm gonna just keep it moving and we'll go to our next item. So the next item we have here, I'm pulling out, is a Trace Loose beauty product. So I guess Becky G is the owner of Trace Loose products, and which is why most of the Trace Loose products are supposed to be in this Glam Bag box since she curated it. So but that's all I know about her, so I don't know much beyond that. So we do have a Trace Loose product here. I have Lips Be Like Pumping Gloss, so that's what it says on here. I have the color Luscious, and let's see what this looks like outside of the packaging here. And I don't remember if I've tried any Trace Loose products. Maybe I have done another lip gloss before, but this is the lip gloss here. And is it any shimmers or something in here? Okay, yeah, there's some shimmer, a little bit of shimmer. So it's a real natural looking color. I'm going to just do a quick little swatch so you guys can see on the back of my hand. It's real natural looking, nothing major. It's a nice product. So guys, the Trace Loose product, I believe it's $18. That's all I'm able to find here in the magazine. So I'm gonna just go with $18 for the value of this one. So our next product out the box, guys, I have an allergenous product, and this is the Moisturize and Nourish Genius, and this is a collagen nourishing lip balm. Here, I'm gonna pop it out so you guys can see what it looks like outside the packaging. I was thinking it was like an eye cream or something, but it's a lip balm. So let me take this off so you guys can see. So it just looks like a regular lip balm. Nothing fancy. Let's see how much this has a value of in here. Need lip balms this time of year, definitely. So let's see if our magazine shows what the price for this one was. Okay, so the Allergenist product here has a $29 value. It says Nourish parched lips with collagen infused balm. This balm helps to create plump, kissable skin. So this will be the first time I've tried this product. I'm more familiar with them in the skincare line. I've never used anything for the lips by Algenist, so I'll be interested in seeing how well this product does. Hopefully it does well. I normally suffer from, like, you know, dry, parched lips in the wintertime, so if it works, it'll be a lifesaver for me. So that is my product here from Algenist. So we'll go to our next product, guys. Wow, look at this. So guys, we have a Skin and Company product here, and this is a Sculpt Lift Bar, and it says 24 karat gold, and this is what it looks like. And it has a little protective sack that you could put your tool in if you're traveling, which is great. And this is really nice. Look at this. So this is a lift bar. I guess you just kind of go up your face, and the battery goes in here. I wonder if they have one already in here. That would be cool. Probably not though. But I'm just twisting the bottom off. Yeah, there's no battery, so I can't even show you how it works. But basically, I'm assuming you would just use this and it kind of just go up or wherever you need the lift with the bar. So this here says it's a contouring facial massage of 24 karat gold plated vibrating bar to help smooth, depuff, lift, and relax facial muscles at 6,000 vibrations per minute. So that's pretty cool. And it says basically you just kind of turn it on and vibrate and kind of use the bar anti-clockwise against your skin. So that's pretty cool. Yes. This has a $125 value, guys, for the Sculpt Lift Bar. Wow. So it says get all the benefits of a facial massage without doing the elbow grease. That's pretty neat. So $125 product. Wow. So I guess let's move on to our next one. That's the price, probably the priciest one in the box, right? So guys, our next product, we have an Avant product, and I know we see these a lot, these Avant products. I think they're okay. I haven't found these products to be anything special. I don't know about you guys, but I have the Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Seawater Shea Butter. This is a moisturizer here. So guys, I don't know what this Avant product costs because it's not in the magazine at all, but I'm going to just say it's probably something ridiculous. But I think these products are okay. I don't think there's nothing special, but I know they're very pricey. So I'm going to just keep it moving. We got 2 products left in our box, so let's see what else we have. The next product looks like we got a palette here, and it's called Love Sprung, and this is by Artist Couture. And this palette is valued at $34, guys. So let me pull it out so I can show it to you. And the information we have here says the Love Spring palette. It says meet your new cheekiest crush. This 3-pan cheeky palette features lust-worthy shades that play so well together. It'll be love at first swipe. Becky G gives us a tip of mix and blend all the shades to create your own custom flush. So let me show you what the shades look like. There is a mirror, guys. I'm just going to use the box to kind of cover that so I don't blind you guys, but these are the 3 shades that we have here. I don't know about this palette for myself. I don't know, maybe the 2 colors here. I think these 2 will be fine. This is like a lost cause probably for me. Like, if I guess maybe I could use it like an eyeshadow or something. I don't know. But I don't see that being used on my cheeks. That will not be a good match for me, and I don't think it will show. This is more like a highlighter color, so I can use that definitely. I can also use this other color here, the more rosier color for my cheeks. I think that will kind of be a good mix together, but this other color, I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or probably give this away as a gift, so I'm not even going to bother swatching it, guys. If you guys have used this palette, please let me know how it worked out for you, but I don't know about this for me. This just doesn't seem like this will be the best match for my complexion. I would rather give it to somebody else who's a little bit lighter. I think they probably would be able to get more use out of it than me. So not a win for me on this one here. So let's go to our last product in the box, guys. So we'll move on from this face palette, and our very last product, I believe so, yes, that is our last product. We have the Trace Loose palette, an eyeshadow palette here by them. And let's see how much this one is called the IM palette. So I've never used any of their palettes before. Our little newspaper here says that this palette has a $30 value, which is pretty decent. It says there's 18 mattes and shimmer shades that are inspired by colorful people and rich cultural traditions of Mexico. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what we got in here. And pull that one out. And let me flip it back around. This is the Trace Loose palette. This is the cover. I think that's very pretty. Very unique. I like that. And they do have a mirror, so I'm going to use this again so I don't blind you guys with the box. I'm going to just use that to cover up the mirror. And these are the colors. This is a nice looking palette. I'm actually surprised. Very nice looking. $30 is the cost of this palette. I think there's a lot of versatility in this eyeshadow palette. You could do a lot with this. I'm really enjoying the colors here. I think this is going to be a really nice palette for me to play around and have fun with. Becky's tip for us, it says, pack on the glitter shades with your finger for a more full wattage impact. So, you know, I think that'll be nice. The glitters look really good, like the shimmering colors here. I really like them. I like that it has a black, so you could do a nice smoky look, or you could use it like as your eyeliner for your under eyes and kind of do that too to kind of help play with it. But I think you can do a lot with this. This looks like fun. I can't wait to get into this palette and try it out. What I think I'm gonna do is I think I'll come back on and do like a get ready with me video or something using maybe this eyeshadow palette and some of the other products we received in this box and BoxyCharm for the month. I think that'll be fun. But I really like this. Really nice. So guys, this was the last product out my box, so let's do a quick review of what we got. So I received the Trace Loose IM eyeshadow palette. I have a face palette here, which you're supposed to be able to use for your cheeks. We have the Alginus lip balm. We have the Trace Loose lip gloss here. I have an Avant moisturizer. I have Truly what is this called? Moon Rocks body scrub. I have the Tower 28 facial spray. And we have the Sculpt and Lift Bar by Skin & Company that is valued at $125. So this clearly is the winner for, I guess, the highest price in the box. But guys, this is my box. What did you guys think? I am kind of, I don't know, I'm kind of in between, I guess. I feel like it was an okay box. Like, I like the eyeshadow palette. That probably is my favorite thing out the box. Other than the body scrub here, the lip balm I'm good with, and the lip gloss is probably my favorites out of the box. The others, they're okay. The Lift Bar, I think this is a great idea, but I generally get a lot of these kind of products. So for me, this is something that I'll probably give away to someone because I have so many of them. So if I didn't already have it, I would think this will be a great product. So if you guys don't have as many as me, this is probably going to be great for you. But for me, I just thought, it's just okay. So that was my box, guys. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you guys got in your box. Are we box twins? Did we get any similar products? Or was your box completely different than mine? But until we meet again on my next video, guys, stay blessed, have an awesome day, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.